What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, as you guys saw by the title, we're going to be talking about something that honestly, I didn't even realize needed to be addressed, but I guess with all the crazy lawsuits that are happening and all the delistings of XRP, I'm going to actually make a video showing you guys how to buy XRP in the US, in New York, in places that have pretty much been delisted all over. How exactly can you still buy XRP? This is a great question that I would like to answer for you guys in today's video, so definitely make sure to stay tuned. Otherwise, really quickly, we are still doing our crypto coin display giveaway. As you can see here, it is for an XRP ticker. All you have to do to enter to win one of these is comment your favorite crypto down below, as well as comment subscribed, as I will be checking. And if you don't subscribe, you won't win. Otherwise, I will be doing the drawing on Sunday, so stay tuned for that video. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So I guess in today's video, we're going to be answering the question, how exactly do you buy XRP Ripple in the United States with low fees, and is it even accessible here? This is a great question. Now, I've spent quite a bit of time here on the channel actually doing technical analysis in regards to XRP, which by the way, looks okay right now. We have a major Elliott wave forming on the coin, and we really have to see how exactly this decides to play out. But there are a few obstacles that we have to get around in regards to holding and staying above support. Otherwise, we will be seeing a BTC formation on the Elliott wave in this major symmetrical triangle, which could lead us to eventually at some point breaking bearish, filling out the Elliott wave, and then finally breaking bullish, as I am long-term bullish for the rest of 2021 and the rest of into 2022. I think we will be going back up to retest all-time highs. So why is it so important to own XRP? Why is it so important to actually have some of this crypto? Well, obviously that's because there's a major lawsuit going on right now. As most of you should know, XRP is currently in a lawsuit with the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commissions within the the US government. And as you know, this is a really big lawsuit, and things have actually taken a change for XRP, whether or not the SEC is trying to make an example of this. And I'm not going to spend too much time here. I want to just talk to you how to buy it exactly. But with the with this lawsuit coming arise, a lot of exchanges said, okay, we want nothing to do with the SEC, so we are going to actually delist XRP from pretty much all of our major exchanges. I know Coinbase did 100%, and I know Binance did as well. And there's probably a ton of other cryptocurrency exchanges out there that delisted XRP, which has made it a lot more lucrative to actually get your hands on this crypto. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, well, okay, maybe I can just trade around, or I already have XRP. You might actually be confused. You might be trading a derivative of XRP. If you try to actually withdraw XRP from that exchange or that derivatives exchange that you're using, you might see you might not be allowed to actually withdraw XRP. So I actually have an exchange that I personally use and recommend for the purchasing of the XRP token. So I want to share that with you. But the other thing to consider is when XRP does win this lawsuit, which I've made videos on in the past, there's a really big chance that these exchanges are going to relist XRP. And honestly, if you wait to buy into XRP when the coin gets relisted, there's a very big chance, these big exchanges out there are going to halt trading because of all the volume that's going around within the market. But it's definitely better to just own the crypto prior to this, leading up to the moment, so that you're better prepared. And what I mean by that is if we use Shiba Inu, for example, that was just listed on Coinbase, and I should have it pulled up right here. Shiba Inu is now available on Coinbase. You can see it here. I want to show you guys something crazy with actually how the coin traded. And as you guys can see, the immediate listing of Shiba soared the price up, shot the price up to crazy levels, and then immediately catapulted and reversed all the way back down, pretty much halting anyone from being able to enter or exit certain trades. And as you guys can see as well, looking at the current coin market cap, you can see that Shiba is still pumping. So there is still ways. And if you still held on to Shiba and what would be XRP in the future, you can still actually capitalize off the major runs and the percentage gains that we're seeing here. So honestly, without further ado, in regards to how exactly to trade this coin, I actually use an exchange called BitYard. Now, keep in mind, guys, I have linked BitYard down in the description below, so definitely make sure to check out that link if you are interested in purchasing or selling XRP tokens. It's down there below. Also, definitely make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to help you answer them as best as I can in regards to the BitYard exchange or just other ways of trading around with crypto. So BitYard is an exchange that I use, and since I've used them over, I think, a year or almost 2 years now, they have done incredible things with with their platform actually adding on so many unique features, copy trading, their affiliate platform, promotions, spot trading, which is the major key to this, as well as being able to buy and sell XRP. So this is huge. And what I mean by that is when you go onto the website, you log in, you're going to be greeted by a page like this. And what you have to do to actually purchase XRP, and I'm going to try to break this down, you can see right here on BitYard that there's actually an XRP listing right here. This is XRP to USDT. So what you need to do first is obviously log in and create a BitYard account. If you want to enter KYC, I recommend it so you can actually withdraw and move bigger amounts of money. That's what I do. It's not a big issue, not a big problem. But what you do is you can go on to deposit. This is the first key within purchasing XRP. So what I normally recommend doing is actually depositing USDT, and you can also deposit other cryptocurrencies. As you can see, XRP is deposited. It is a possibility to deposit XRP on the exchange, but if you don't have XRP, you can't do it. So what you need to do is either deposit USDT. If you're outside New York, then you can, access USDT, or deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, yada, yada, yada. It doesn't matter, but you can see they accept all these different cryptos to be deposited into the website, the actual physical crypto. So obviously you can choose Bitcoin, for example. You would then send your Bitcoin to the deposit address as such. Once you receive this, which is very easy to do, you'll then have it in your account. So you can then go to assets and you'll be able to see that you have Bitcoin. For me, I have USDT in here, but you'll actually see that you have the crypto there. So I'll use USDT, for example. Let's say you deposited USDT. You then go over to spot trading, and this is the best. It's the easiest, most profitable way to actually obtain XRP. Also, keep this in mind, guys. If you actually deposited something other than USDT, like let's say you deposited Bitcoin, for example, the website works with only USDT in regards to transferring into or using the spot trading mechanism. So you would have to do first is, let's say you deposited Bitcoin into the website, you'd have to go onto spot trading first, then type in Bitcoin as such, BTC, and then go to Bitcoin to US dollars. And what you would want to do is actually sell the Bitcoin that you have. So by clicking market order right here, you then go to sell, and you want to sell all your Bitcoin that you have, which would then get rid of the available balance of Bitcoin and then make you have a higher balance in USDT. Once you have transferred everything into USDT, then you can proceed with buying XRP. Any crypto you can deposit into the website, or any crypto you deposit into the website, you must change into USDT. So you can deposit any of these cryptos here, but once you do that, you then have to go onto spot trading. Let's say it was Shiba. Let's say you deposited Shiba. You then click on Shiba, and you have to sell the Shiba into USDT, and then go to XRP. Then go to XRP and buy it. So the next thing to do is literally just type in right here, XRP. You can see it loads up right here, the spot trading crypto that you want to purchase. What I then do is I always recommend using the market trade. When you do a limit, it might not actually fill your order immediately, so I recommend using the market order. So I have the opportunity of buying $318 in Bitcoin, in XRP. And what you would then do is type in the amount you want to buy. So if you did 100%, you would then be receiving the equivalent of 318 USDT into XRP. You would then click buy XRP. Once clicking this, it will then create an open order, and it would fill almost immediately depending on the amount of XRP that you're trying to purchase. And it would then fill in right here with very, very, very little fees, very little trading fees on their spot market. And that's why I recommend using them. So once you actually click buy XRP, the open order will eventually fill, and you'll see your USDT balance disappear, and you'll see the available XRP balance relist right there. And it's literally that simple. You'll have XRP in your available balance on BitYard. Very easy to do. Now, most of you are probably wondering, how do you withdraw it? How do you take it off the exchange so you guys can send it to your ledger or external hardware wallet? That's another step that's very easy. So I'm based in New York, so I want to explain exactly what you would do. So you click on withdraw, that's simple. And what you need to set up is obviously your withdraw info. The first step within BitYard, what you want to do is click manage address. When you click manage address, you then have to enter your XRP address that you're sending it to. You cannot just type in the withdrawal address. You have to enter it first. Once you do that, type in the amount of XRP that you want to actually withdraw from the website. Type in XRP just like that. You'll then enter the withdrawal address. You'll type in the transfer amount, and then you type in your PIN to the website, and you click withdraw. Once you click withdraw, you have to slide the annotation to the side, and you'll then be sent an email which says I think a 6-digit code that you then have to enter into the website. Once you do that, you'll then be able to withdraw. Now, this is the thing that you guys have to understand. There's a certain time period in which you have to withdraw XRP, or you're allowed to withdraw any cryptocurrency from that matter within the BitYard exchange. And you can see here withdrawal hours are based in SGT, Monday through Sunday, 9 to 21. What this correlates in Eastern Standard Time, or if you're based in the US, or specifically in New York, you're allowed to withdraw after 9 p.m. at night, and up to, I think 8 a.m. in the morning. So I usually withdraw at 9 p.m. or later at night, and then I can withdraw it and it will immediately send to whatever wallet you have. It takes about 10 minutes for the confirmation to go through, and then they will withdraw it and send it to you via whatever wallet they have listed on the website. And it's literally that simple. You just have to do those few steps and you'll be able to actually withdraw XRP. So hopefully this was clear. If not, definitely make sure to let me know in the comments down below. But that pretty much is what I wanted to go over with you guys. It's very simple. It might seem, very taboo and hard to do, but believe it or not, you can do this on your phone as well. I use this on my phone. I don't download their mobile app. I just do it on the on Safari. I can just open their website and do it. But that's pretty much it. I know this could have been a little more complex, and that might have been what you're thinking of, but it really comes down to what exchange out there actually allows the purchase and the withdrawal of XRP, clarifying the differences between trading a derivative of XRP and actually owning the XRP token. And you'll know that by if you're allowed to withdraw XRP directly from the exchange. That's pretty much what you have to, figure out beforehand. And then ultimately that's it. You can then withdraw it, and it's that simple. And I guess the last thing that comes down to it is actually finding a reputable, trustable exchange out there where you don't actually have to feel worried about entering or depositing any cryptocurrency into this website. And I can say for the past year and a half, if not 2 years, that I've been using BitYard with confidence, and I've never, ever, ever had a transaction fail on me. And if by chance it did, they have a great customer support by literally clicking help right there. You contact them and they'll reach out to you within a matter of minutes. I've used them for different reasons too, and they've been able to answer me almost immediately, which I love. So the website is definitely there. I have linked them in the description, which I highly recommend you check out if you are interested in purchasing XRP here within the US. Very easy to do, very accessible. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.